Welcome to Code Now. Today we will discuss daily Leetcode challenge spiral matrix. Now let's the question. It is given that you are given positive integer n and you have to generate the n cross n matrix filled with elements from 1 to n square in spiral order. Now let's understand it with the given discuss. It is given that n equal to 3 and you have to generate the first matrix and fill the matrix with element from 1 to n square, hence 1 to 3 square, which is 1 to 9. And you have to fill these elements in the matrix in spiral order. As you can see in the image, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in spiral order. So now let's discuss the logic. Now, to fill the matrix in a spiral order, we need to traverse in the spiral order. And to traverse in the spiral order, we need to traverse in the four direction. That is from left to right, then top to bottom, then from right to left, and then from bottom to top. And we will repeat this process until our matrix is not completely filled. Now, how we can do this programmatically? We can do this. We can do this by taking four loops for the four directions. Now, now let's discuss it with code. Here you can see that I have taken four variables top, left, right, top, bottom. Left is pointing to the first column of the matrix, and right is pointing to the last column of the matrix, and top is pointing to the first row of the matrix, and bottom is pointing to the last row of the matrix. I have taken a variable num, which I will put in the matrix and increase it every time. And I am starting this num with 1. And now coming to this loop, this loop is running until the num this num until this num is lesser than equal to m. And what is m? M is n cross n. N cross n. Now coming to the for loop, and these now coming inside the loop, these four loops are for traversing in the four direction. In the first loop, we are moving from left to right and filling the top row ith cell with none. Means we are moving from left to right and filling the top row, means this row. When this loop will be completed, when this loop will complete, our first row of the matrix will be filled with 1, 2, and 3. And after completion of this loop, we are increasing top. Why we are increasing top? We are increasing top because we have filled this first row, means this top row. So we are increasing top. Now our top will be at the second column, pointing to the second row of the matrix. Now looking at the second for loop. The second for loop is moving from top to bottom. At top to bottom means in this direction. And we are putting ith row with right column with none. Means we are moving from top to bottom and filling these two cells. And after completion of this loop, we are decreasing right. And the reason for decreasing right is same as we have filled this column, so we are decreasing the right. Now coming to the third loop. In third loop we are moving from right to left. Right to left. Here we can see that right is pointing to the second loop and left is pointing to the first loop. So we are traversing these two cells and filling the bottom row ith cell with num, means putting 6 and 7 in this sequence. And after completion of this of this for loop, we are decreasing the value of bottom as we have completely filled the bottom layer. After decreasing the value of bottom, our bottom will point to this second row. And now coming to the fourth loop. In fourth loop, we are moving from bottom to top in this direction. Bottom to top. Now our bottom and top are pointing to the same row. So in this loop, we will update this cell. And in this loop, we are in value of ith row and left cell with none, means this cell with 8. And after completion of this loop, we are increasing the value of left because we have completely filled this left cell. Now we will after increasing the value of L, our L will point there. Now again this now till now the value of num is 8. Value of num is 8 and our n cross n is 9. So this while loop will run again, and again this will execute this for. This for loop will again move from left to right and fill the element, and this cell will be filled with 9, and the value of top will be increased, and top will be pointing to the last column of the matrix. And then it will come to the second loop, and the second loop will run from top to bottom, and again it will fill this cell with a 9 and decrease the value of right, and our right will point here. And in the third loop, we are moving from right to left, but this for loop will not run as right is greater than left. So it will move to the next time and decrease the value of bottom, and our bottom will point to this row, first row, and then and the fourth loop will move from bottom to top. You can see that bottom exceeds the top, so this loop will also not run, and left will be increased. Left will be increased, and this loop will end, and we can see that num now 10. Num is now 10, which is greater than 9. So this loop will end, and the resultant matrix will be our result. Now let's run this code. As you can see that it has passed the given justice. Now let's submit it. Now we can see that our code submitted is successful. Thank you for watching.